Okay, so welcome back to my channel. My channel is The Young Heiress. This is The Young Heiress. I'm currently in Marseille, and I have actually been getting a lot of love for this apartment tour, and I'm still in Marseille. So I thought that this time I would show you guys the most Instagrammable places that you could go in Marseille once COVID is over and once you can actually come here to enjoy the beautiful sun in the south of France. And so I wanted to share two places that are completely gorgeous, completely out of place, completely landmark-like when you are in Marseille, but completely free. And two other places that are also super unique, one of my favorite places to go, but that are good for spending money. But I mean, I don't mean like spending a lot of money, but it's not completely free. So hope you like this video. And if you're wondering what my apartment tour looks like, you can always go to this link right here. And if you like to get more information and more cool videos about me, about my clothing brand, about my lifestyle in Marseille, please subscribe and hit that ring button. So, shall we go? Let's
go. Happy raps. Yeah. I done caught a wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls go to Starbucks, yeah. All of these girls up in college. I like them smart with no drama. I do find a girl, make her smile, make her happy. Get a ring, make a child start fam. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys, like, yeah.
Hey guys, can you see me? So I'm actually in this beautiful museum called Mucem, and back in 2013 when Marseille was chosen as the European capital of culture, Jacques Mus, who is actually from Marseille, he actually did a defile here.
I read it, yeah. Come be with a king like a redder, it's true. She got it early, that's prophecy. I need a power that's down for me to make my good days my better days. I order peach green tea lemonade. I might just post up at the Starbucks, maybe hit the drive-thru. Yeah. You can hit me with the drop pen in case I can't find you. Yeah, yeah. She met me in college, I knew it, that's true. I'ma be home real soon, let's go get coffee for two.
So it's like one of those landmarks that people actually come to feel that like artistic vibe in the south of France. And I did some photo shoots here too. And I'm just enjoying my sandwich, steak frites in the sun. And I actually just saw like two editors who wouldn't tell me what magazine they're from. They were like location hunting. So this place is definitely Instagrammable.
She said she met me in college, I knew it, that's true. I'ma be home real soon, let's go get coffee for two.
it's Friday nights, and if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need. I can't get enough. That's all I need.
Putain, il vient. J'ai peur. Putain. Go. Ah, putain.
Ça fait rire.